Thanks for joining us. In this show, we are going to make some bingo toast, which I've seen done before. So I might go one step further and try and recreate the entire Healer family in toast form using different ingredients, which I'll talk you through as we go. Then we'll do a taste test and see which of the Healer family toast variations taste the best. Let's get cracking with the bingo toast that I've seen done before, and then we'll move on to the more challenging varieties of the Healer family. I'm going to make each of the Healer family and then toast them on the pan afterwards. We want everyone to taste as yummy as possible. So, for bingo, we're going to use peanut butter, banana, and bread. For bingo's head, we use a piece of bread. Get a pair of clean cutting scissors, and we'll make some ears, which will just be triangles. All right, so whack some ears on there. Actually, we'll probably use a bit for the nose there. And we'll make some out of banana, some eyes and other facial features. Oh, I know what I forgot to do. I forgot to put peanut butter. Can't always get it right the first time. Whoa, that is some runny peanut butter. Oh my gosh, maybe it needs a stir. So I'll do these edge bits with peanut butter. Just jam that back in there. Banana eye number 1. Banana eye number 2. Oh, dang it. Just realized the edges of Bingo's ears need a bit of peanut butter too. This peanut butter's too runny. Okay. Doesn't need to look perfect. Some sort of thin bit for the bit that has Bingo has running down her nose there. May have given Bingo a slightly bigger eyebrow there. Eyebrow number 2. And we just need a nose, which I'll make out of a bit more bread, and then a bit of banana on top. Finish the eyes and nose off with some blueberries. Okay, that's bingo done. I've made a bit of a mess with the peanut butter. I'll try and do a neater job with the rest of the Healer family. Let's make a bit of Bluey next, and then we'll make Mum and Dad. Great. Okay, Bluey, I might use a bit of cream cheese with a bit of blue food dye through it. Then whack a bit of this blue food dye around the place. This cream cheese. Just make the next bit a bit darker, and a bit of extra food dye for the second batch. Well, yeah, that's plenty. It's a bit darker, so we'll do the edges of the ears with that. Gonna use banana again for the eyes. Then the nose, kind of a bit of that shape going on, and then we'll use blueberries again for the eyes and to finish off the nose. Just realized I forgot to give Bluey eyebrows. I'll just quickly add in some eyebrows. Just paint them a little bit. There we have it. Bluey with eyebrows. We'll see how that tastes soon. Let's move on to chili. Again, we're going to start with the same basic template. It's already got a bit of chili's color to it, this one. So for chili, we're going to start doing the light patches with some cream cheese. So just whack a bit of that there. There we go. Now to make the colored patches on the side, I'm going to use some salami. I should open this stuff. For the eyes, I might use some apple. Okay, instead of using blueberries for this combination, I think olives might taste a little bit better. In case you're wondering whether salami, cream cheese, apple and olives taste good on toast, I'm also wondering that. Okay, for Bandit, we'll use the bigger toast again. I might try colouring some peanut butter and see how that goes. Alright, that's blue food dye in peanut butter, in case you're ever wondering what that looks like. So we'll whack a bit of that down. I've still got a bit of that other blue colour from Bluey. Rightio. Okay, that's the base of Bandit done. For the inside of the ears, we might use some of that banana again. And for the nose, might go with a bit of that other bread. Whack that on there. Go apple for the eyes. There we go. Eye number 2. For the eyes again, we'll go some olives. We need to do the nose. I might use some Vegemite. Aussie special Vegemite. Yeah, not bad. Rightio, so we've done the whole healer family now. Next step, we'll toast everyone up and give them a taste test. And then we'll give the verdict on who out of the healer family tastes the yummiest in toast form. Let's get them out of the oven and do the taste test. That ear looks a little bit crispy. And just so that I don't give a biased taste test, let's bring in a special guest and give you an honest opinion of how it actually tastes.
The eyebrows.
Yeah.
Tastes weird with the apple.
Oh, okay. So how many stars out of 5?
4.
That's pretty good. You want to try Bandit? Do you like Vegemite? You can take the Vegemite nose or the peanut butter and banana ear.
Are you gonna eat some too?
Yeah, try them.
Cheers.
Cheers. Chili tastes good. I'll try some ear. That tastes good.
Never have it.
That's a really good combo. That was really nice. That's what do you reckon?
3.81.
3.81 out of 5?
Yeah.
4 out of 5?
4 out of 5.
The ear's got banana. That should be a good combo. I'm gonna try a bit of bingo. Not bad. Not bad.
I like it.
I'm gonna try some of this Vegemite nose.
3.91.
Okay. 3.81, 3.91.
This was good too. This is like a classic 4 as well.
4. Okay. So there we have it, viewers. I'd call that a success story. Everyone tastes pretty good. Chili, for me, was the winner with that salami, olive and cream cheese combination. Delicious, but it actually all tastes pretty good. The Vegemite is for people who like Vegemite, I'll admit that. But even that combination was pretty good. I'm gonna finish these off. Thanks heaps for watching. Extra thanks for subscribing and supporting the channel. See you again soon. Is my tongue blue?
Yeah.
Just be warned, your teeth and tongue might go a little bit blue if you're as generous with the food dye as I was. But that's cool.